So this is what the screen for Kodable looks like. I'm just going to choose second grade, so it's a little more difficult for me. Let's see. Okay, so the object is to put the arrow in the box in order to get your fur ball to move in the direction that you want it to move in. This looks like it's just an example showing students what they're going to be doing. Okay, we're gonna move forward. And we're gonna wanna move up. And we're gonna wanna move over. And we're gonna wanna move down. Alright, let's test it. We'll go on. Okay. So for this one, we are going to go forward first. I'm gonna go down, and then I'll come back to collect that other star. And then we're gonna go up, over, down, and to the right again. Test it. I think it's kind of cool because I'm sure there's other ways that you could have collected all three stars. Whoops. Play it out. This looks like it's another example to show students what they're supposed to do. Which I think is nice because it allows students to work independently on it. All right, level 5. Okay, we're gonna go forward. We'll go down. I think I need to put the green box in there. And we're going to go to the right and down, and I believe another green box. Let's test that out. Oh, whoops. Are you smarter than a second grader? No. All right, there we go. Level 6. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go to the right. We're gonna go up. We have to collect the purple box, so we'll put that there as a stopping point. Then we're gonna move to the right again. And we're gonna stop on that purple square. We'll move downward. And then we'll move right. Let's test it out. Ooh, what? I think we need to get rid of this box. So we'll put the arrow up. And then maybe, I think that's what I did wrong. Yep. We'll play it. One thing that I liked about this program is that it was easy to access. So I think if students really enjoyed using this in school, they could go home and play it at home. As far as educational purposes go, I'm not quite sure on what it would fall under. It just seems kind of like a game to me. But maybe if students had downtime or something, they could play it during class. And if they liked it, they could go home and play it as well. Oh, my Wi-Fi is going to be a little slower on this one, it looks like. Try to refresh it. Alright, so it looks like maybe I finished it. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. And I haven't gone and played the first grade or the kindergarten one, but so far so good.